Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a trick or treat subscription unboxing. So let's get straight into it and see what's inside. I'm not sure what the postman has been up to, but I'm hoping that it's all going to be in there. Cool. Right. So I'll take this one out first. Aww. So it's like a window. And it's got two cute little bats on it. That's pretty. So we've got some fabric in here, so I'm going to take that out. Oh, they're boxers. Hello Kitty. I'm not sure what size these are, but they look quite big. So, but we will find out. So some cute little boxers. I think that's the first time I've ever got like underwear in a subscription box. I think it's a magnet. Yeah, so it's a little magnet and it's a acrylic haunted house. It's cute. And then there is a picture in here and the list of contents. That's cool. So it's a graveyard. Well, that is everything. So there was 4 items in this box. And they are kitty pants, haunted magnet, haunted window necklace and an A4 print. And the box was worth £34.96. And I think you pay £15 free postage. I like the undies, the necklace and the magnet. The print is okay. It's just like standard on glossy paper. I personally like prints on like recycled paper or like the card that's got a texture to it. But it's an okay box. I definitely preferred the first trick or treat box that I got. That appealed more to me, but I will try these cute little boxes on once I've given them a wash and see if they fit me okay. So that was my trick or treat unboxing. Let me know what you thought in the comments. If you're new here, make sure that you give me a like and a subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.